What happened? So you changed your mind?
I'm gonna weld it back on. This is Autosport Plastic, and it came from Poland. This company on Instagram I found. This is all ABS plastic. So right now I'm just trying to get the body kit to fit correctly. Just cut out the fender. But it's got these big indentions over here. So I gotta like cut some of this stuff out. I'm just not sure what all I need to cut out. So I think it's like binding up a little bit. I don't think it's hitting up there anymore. But it might be hitting back here a tiny bit.
These things fit great for the price.
Oh yeah. It's gonna look good whenever I get it on. So that's how you get the most accurate cut.
That's true. We use it like a Dremel or something. I don't got no time for it.
That's for rookies, bruh.
Oh, damn.
5 minutes later, Alex, we need to go to the ER. Cut my finger in half again. I think that's it, dude. Get some Clecos, some Rivnuts, and we'll be in business. All right, guys, so we're working on the back of the car right now. I just got this cheap yardstick from like Solomon's. I'm gonna bend it so we can get a pretty good arch. I'm gonna have Alex mark the arch, and then we'll set the body kit up here. We want to try to get as much wheel clearance as we can. On the inside of the fender well, it goes kind of like this. So I want to try to match it at its highest point, cut it straight there, and then if I have to put some plates or something in here, I will, to seal the body back up. So here's a Sharpie, Alex. We know by feeling it, it starts to straighten out right around here. And we want it to be a uniform shape. We want it to be hidden by the body kit as much as possible. I got it going all the way back here because this is where the shelf kind of stops. So mark that out and let's take a gander. That's pretty freaking high though. I don't know if I'm gonna need that much.
Oh, you want to slam it is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that. It would look cool.
Probably don't need to go that far back. But I think the height is pretty good. I have to cut the bottom of that. Ow. So strong as ripped it in half, buddy. Me too. Got my air hammer.
They sell like specific ones.
Yeah.
You set it on your crotch and drill straight into it.
Alright. I guess that'll be alright. Alright, so we got the passenger side all cut out here. Right now we are cutting our inner fender vents because they hit right here. So I'm gonna get all that cut out to fit, and then after we get it fitting perfectly flush, then we'll worry about installing our rib nuts and making it match the other side. We have finished the driver's rear. Well, not finished, I still gotta weld it and apply seam sealer. But after this, hopefully we can put the front wheels on and then see what else we need to cut, because we're running an angle kit plus 18s up front. Straight from Poland, baby.
That Polish spec wide body, looking sweet, looking nice.
Now we're gonna get them Polish wheels everybody runs.
Yeah, those.
The Steelies.
Yeah, I think they're
like,
off of a Chevy.
That they like flip or something.
Yeah, they're like off of a Chevy. They like cut them in half and then weld big old 10-inch or like 5-inch steel plates in the center.
Some
And then
big
use
barrels.
window sealer to seal it up. Ooh, looking clean. So again, this wide body is from who?
It's from Autosportsplastic.com, company based out of Poland. It's all ABS plastic.
Yeah, super nice stuff. As you can see, it fits pretty dang good.
It's way better than any fiberglass.
Yo,
I mean, honestly, I think
nice. We need to figure out some, some mesh here.
already
Clean
got it.
that up. Oh, you already got the mesh?
Yeah, I ordered it. It's over on the table.
And we got
Bendable
some.
black gloss mesh.
So we got some mesh to go in here, and then we'll probably paint the inside of that black so it kind of blends in with it. But that's the front of it on pretty much now. We just need to throw some rib nuts in it, and the front will be done on both sides. So this is kind of what Jack all cut out, and I think he needs to cut some more out just for clearance, kind of here on the back and here on the front.
Pad's destroyed. I need to get a different one.
All right, well, let's get in front of the car so you can point at it.
Is this
and
the
not
end of the
turn
video or what?
around. No, this is we're only halfway through
That's
it.
what I thought.
All right, let's go.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we got the front end installed, the Autosports Plastic front fenders. We had to cut quite a bit out, only because I'm running 18s on the front, and these are just some wheels that we used to run on the FD car, so we're just gonna use them for this project. So yeah, again, we're running 18s. We did have to cut a little bit of the back out, a little bit of the front. I'm also running a CNC 71 angle kit, so you may or may not have as much steering room as I have, and your wheels might not be popped out or your offset or whatever. But yeah, all this is installed. We used M5 Rivnuts and Allen hardware. It turned out really nice. I need to paint the back of the fender black and then add some black mesh. That'll look super clean. Yeah, front end's done. And now we got to go to the back. We have to cut out the wheel arches, weld them together, seam seal it so no rust or anything develops inside of the rear wheel arches. And then after that, we will install the rear of the body kit and then show you guys the completed project.
New day. Who this?
New day, same piece of junk. Still working.
What's the update on it?
We got the fronts finished, which I think they already saw. Now we're working on the rear, trying to fill in all these holes.
Wait, what are you using there?
This is automotive body seam sealer, so I can make sure no water gets stuck inside the quarter panels and ends up rusting it out or anything like that in the future.
Some ASMR.
Maybe if I can get this thing freaking off. I mean, no ASMR if I can't get it off. I'm afraid to drop it.
Talk like this, real nice and quiet.
Pretty much dry. I might have to trim this like I did on the rest of the other panels, just to get it to fit even better. This thing's already fit pretty
I was gonna say,
freaking
it's already looking pretty minty. Oh, babe. God damn. I can't believe that fits for as cheap as it was, brother.
I know. You can't beat it for the price.
Polish year, like the people in Poland got the BMWs made out there.
Yeah, they ain't playing around. They ain't playing no games.
It was real nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice, very nice. Like even all the way to the back. Oh, oh!
Oh my god.
That looks better than the J. Davis bodywork behind it.
Yeah, it does. It's way better.
That's the annoying part. I can't open my gas cap either without having to take off one of my Rivnuts.
No.
Yeah, I have to pull off
This
one
one
of the
I will.
Allens.
This one will be good.
Hopefully. Kind of. You might have to trim that bottom piece a little bit. Or just let it rub. It's like, that's what mine does.
So that wraps up the install on our Autosport Plastic E46 wide body kit. We just finished the front and the rear, so I'm going to install these Rivnuts here, get this bolted on for good. And then the only thing we have left is the wing, and then, you know, make the car pretty. But the body kit is on. We're excited to go test it at the next local event. We will get some glamour shots of it outside whenever we get the car out. But super easy install. This thing, it fits so good. It fits better than any fiberglass body kit I've ever installed. So no complaints here. It's plastic, super strong. It's gonna flex. You know, it's just gonna be better than fiberglass. Yeah, I got this for like 450 bucks shipped from Poland. So if you have an E36, E46 sedan, coupe, they have kits for those as well. Make sure you check them out, autosportsplastic.com. Easy install, looks good. Excited to take it to the track.